Welcome to Total Body Relaxation and Release. I'm Lauren Polly and I'll be guiding you through this exercise. Please make yourself comfortable. Either lay down, sit down, allow your eyes to close, and enjoy. Take a few breaths. Allow your body to relax into the surface it's on. Anywhere you may be holding your body, maintaining your posture, ask it to relax and to release that held tension. Soften yourself from the outside in. Allow your breath to slow down and become deeper. And allow the edges of your mind to soften, smooth, relax, and release. Any and every stressor that you've experienced, every barrier, every wall, every tension, every stiffness you have and have created today, ask it to relax, to release, and soften. Starting from the top of the head, softening through the skin on the scalp, rolling that softness down through the skin, under your hair, the skin through your forehead, around your eyes, down through your cheeks, into your jaw, all the way down into your neck. Maintaining soft awareness on this area and asking yourself to soften from the outside in. Allow the molecules in your skin to expand as your skin becomes heavy, soft, and supple. Asking that softness to now permeate past your skin into the muscles and into the tissue that lay beneath. Soften, relax, release any and all held tension, any and every stress. Continue to soften from the outside in by allowing that softness to permeate deeper past the skin, past the tissue, past the muscles, into the bone, into your brain, and into the energy at the center of all. Allow that softness, that relaxation to allow yourself to dissipate and release anything and everything that is held in your head, in your face, moving down into the throat. Allow that softness to ooze down. Roll it down, push it down from the top of your skull, down through your head, into your throat. With that, allow all thoughts, all stressors to relax, to release, dissipate. And continue that softening all the way through your throat, from the outside in. Noticing the breath softening, noticing the muscles and the skin becoming heavy with relaxation. continue to allow that heaviness to move down into your body, into your torso. Allowing awareness now from the bottom of your neck to the top of your hip bones, and asking to soften from the outside in. Allowing all the molecules to expand as they soften, dissipate, and release everything that's held. Keeping soft awareness on your torso, ask the skin to soften, to smooth, to relax, and to release. Allow that softness to now permeate deeper into the muscles, into the tissue, moving deeper still into the spine, more space through the spine, allowing any and every stiffness, pain, tweak, or twist to dissipate and release, to relax and to soften. Allowing that softness to go further inside into all the organs housed in the torso. Allowing your lungs, your heart, your stomach, all of the organs to soften, to relax, to dissipate, and to release anything and everything that's held there. Imagine the tissue on the inside smoothing out with that same heavy relaxation. And again, allow that smooth, relaxed heaviness to roll down, be carried down into your pelvis. Asking the molecules to expand, to dissipate, and to release anything and everything held. Allowing that relaxation and softness to permeate deeper through the skin, through the tissue, through the muscles, through the ligaments, into the joints themselves. How much can you release? How much tension, how much pain, how much stiffness could you shift, dissipate, release, and relax? Allowing now your awareness to travel down the length of your legs, and with it carrying that heavy, smooth, relaxed energy. Softening down, softening through the skin, asking the molecules to expand, dissipate, and release. Softening from the outside in through the muscles, through the tissue, into the bone, into the ligaments and the joints, in and around the knees, in and around the ankles, fanning out through the joints of the feet and the toes, and allowing whatever is held, whatever tension, whatever stress, to relax, release, dissipate into the earth below. Softening the entire body from head to toe, from the outside in. From this relaxed state, take note of your body. Invite any and every held tension left behind to roll itself down the length of your body, dissipating and releasing into the earth. Continue to invite more expansion into the molecules and allow yourself to expand more. Your body is soft and relaxed. Your mind is soft and relaxed. Your breath is even and deep. And the energy of your being is expansive and infinite, as it truly bees. Allow yourself, as long as you can, to sit in stillness here. When you're ready, open your eyes, take a deep breath, and engage again with the world around you from the soft, relaxed state.